There's too many colors going on and it's too high maintenance because every 6 to 8 weeks I need to, or 4 to 6 weeks I need to bleach it again. So I'm thinking if you could do something, maybe a root drag, so that I don't have to keep coming back all the time and it's low maintenance, but I definitely need to stay blonde. So maybe a money piece, or quite a thick money piece, but I mean, I don't know, you would know more about how that would look, but I need to have blonde against my face. But I just hate having the roots all the time, and also the orange. I want to get rid of the orange if you can. I like to be more platinum or white, but I know that that's high maintenance. So kind of a mix of root drag and platinum, if you think that works.
Okay.
I don't know about the condition. Probably the condition is
What's
great.
low maintenance for you? When you say low maintenance, what do you mean?
I just don't want to
still
see.
Be blonde,
I still want to be blonde. I don't mind regularly doing the front, but I just hate seeing in the back all this black line. I hate every time I put my hair up.
How about the black line on the top?
Well, I don't mind every 4, 6, 8 weeks coming and just doing the bleaching the front.
So you still want to do bleach?
Or lightening, however to make it light. I've used white color before rather than bleach, but that makes it like white, not blonde. The extreme colors you get, reds, blues and whites. I've done that with white and it works, but I don't want that. I want to be like a platinum.
Okay.
But I think low maintenance, I don't see the back, so I don't mind if it's a bit darker, but as long as I look blonde from the front.
Okay, because when you reach this level of lightness, there's no such a low maintenance with being blonde.
Should have come to you, because I tried to do what you're saying, but I tried to do it in another salon, let it grow to like here, and then I went to see somebody and they did the semi-permanent. Because it was semi-permanent, the bleach from underneath came through, so then it went back. It didn't work because I then had this bit was meant to be dark, but it was like my root, orange, and then blonde. It should have been my root, blonde.
Yes, that's what I mean.
So the one that they used, I tried to do what you said a few months ago, but then I got disheartened because it didn't work.
Usually I require to have an inch of darkness. Okay? This has to be dark.
Okay.
And the blonde starts from here.
Okay.
So when I come and do my blending, I do not start it from the top. I start it from this area.
Yeah.
So imagine this is all dark and the blonde starts from here. So when I blend, I put color only on the line.
Okay.
And I blend it a little bit. Then you would have a transitional area where you have your natural dark, transitional area, then the blonde. Today you don't have that. So when I'm gonna put any color, it's gonna touch up this. And this is because it's right next to the scalp. The scalp gets kind of heats up a little bit. So that's gonna mean the root's gonna turn orange. Not because my color turned orange, but because color on a very small roots lightens, and we don't want it to do that. When we do color on an area that's far away from the roots, it doesn't lighten that way.
It's not as hot.
So what are your options today is just to do a quick toning to reduce the amount of yellow in the middle part.
Okay.
And make it a little bit less blonder than this, which means you could go a little bit more silverish. You could go a little bit more like a lavender feeling. And you wait for 3 months till you have a regrowth.
Okay.
Then you come to me for that transitional area. Then we do the highlight 6 months from now.
Oh wow, okay.
So we're not gonna start the low maintenance till after 6 months.
Okay.
When I'm gonna do the transitional area after 3 months, not even today.
Okay.
So this is not like something, okay, can you do some magic and can you do low light, can you do a root smudging? Anything I will do, even root smudging will not work. Will wash out and create another issue after a couple of months.
That's, I think, what happened last time.
So we have to just let your natural come through, where I see virgin hair right next to your blonde.
Okay.
I need blonde right next to it, virgin hair.
Okay.
If I have colored hair next to the blonde is an issue. If I have dark color next to the blonde is an issue. I need a virgin hair next to the blonde. And that's where I have the power to do what I need to do.
Okay. And what about the front, like the money piece? If we do the low maintenance?
No, that's in the future. We can discuss it.
So it's possible to
It's possible
do that.
because we will not just rely on the front. After we create the transitional area, we will create some highlight that we don't bring it to the roots.
Okay.
And one of the highlights, the front one,
Yeah.
we can carry all the way up and create the money piece that you want.
Okay.
Which is usually not my favorite part. I prefer to leave it tiny, skinny one, because you cannot do a money piece when the hair is short. It's gonna look like it doesn't belong to the rest of the hair.
Got it.
This is, I will explain it in the future, but keep in mind when you come to me in the future and the hair is short like this, money piece is not elegant. It looks very cheap.
No,
We
I
can
understand
do a
your
very
point.
tiny piece here, just as part of the whatever framing we're gonna do.
Okay.
But we will get to that in the future.
Okay.
Okay. Now our priority should be cutting a little bit of the damage, a little bit of this. Treating the hair is definitely a priority, should be for you. And in terms of coloring, we're limited to what we can do today. We can just tone it, give it a bit of hint of lavender, which I think will look the best, because the lavender will get rid of the yellow over here and will give you a little bit of uniformal feeling to the color.
That's what I want. It's too many.
Yeah.
There's too many colors going on now.
Yeah.
There's brown. There's mousy, browny, blonde, yellow.
It doesn't mean it's
orange.
gonna make it the same, but
No.
it's gonna hide it as much as possible.
If I continue with purple shampoo, will it help or?
Purple shampoo will make the blonder parts before and after more ashier, which is gonna make the yellow part pops out more.
This is what I'm noticing, because the salons are telling me use the purple shampoo,
will
but it's not
work.
helping me
It's
at
actually
all.
gonna make it worse,
Yeah.
because the purple
contrast.
shampoo will work on the most blonder parts and will not work properly in the middle part.
Okay.
It will, but this is gonna react very quick.
Yeah, it will be more
And
contrast.
because you're doing it yourself at home, you're not gonna be able to just put a purple shampoo over here only. It's gonna go everywhere. So the more grayish the areas becomes before and after the yellow line, the more the yellow line will show.
Yeah. Meshi.
I'm sure you felt that if you've
Yeah,
done
yeah.
it.
This is why when they tell me use purple shampoo, I'm like, but it's not helping.
Yeah. Let me give you the breakdown of the price, then we can start right away. Other side.
She lives in the UK, but they've
Okay.
bought a house here. So
Okay.
she keeps telling me I need to come and see you. Keeps sending me your Instagram blonde videos.
Send him my regards.
I will, thank you.
باين عليك لمعة اللون؟ Okay. What do you think?
So nice.
Good?
It's much better.
Very different?
Much thicker as well in the
I
front.
mean, sometimes those shades are just elegant by themselves. If we create a transitional area and you still maintain kind of colors like that, you wouldn't feel like the line is that annoying
Yeah.
for a while. The minute we come back with a few highlights in the future and you still maintain some shades, everything will look even better.
Okay.
Now, the beauty about this kind of shades, when you have your base as well introduced in between, you're gonna feel like, you know what? I don't need to do anything to it. Just leave it for 3 months. Come back for a couple of foils on the top and that's it. And before you know, the hair will feel much healthier.
Okay.
We did add a couple of tape-in extensions, one on the right, one on the left. Just for the thickness. But you know, the fact that your skin is light, this color is actually giving you a bit of flavor, I would say.
No, I do like the color. I do like the color, but it just usually it washes out, right? So it's not a full time. Cannot be
Yeah,
24/7.
This one you have to. I would say you need to do it again after 3 weeks. I can give you the color if you want. You could do it as a quick
Yeah.
rinse after 3 weeks. Now, the more you repeat it, the more stabilize
Yeah.
and stop washing out.
Yeah.
So I can give you the color. You dump it on the hair, wait 5 minutes, then jump in the shower.
Okay.
Because it's the only way to maintain it.
Okay.
It will not spread out evenly like how we're doing it now, but you get to touch it up before without coming to us. The hair should feel much healthier after the treatment. I mean, I managed to cut a good amount of the layers from the top, which wasn't there where you had it more like a one length.
Yeah.
But I had to remove a good amount of the damage here in order to free it up. Can I get you to stand up for a minute, please? Yes. Slightly down. The other side. Turn to the back, please, for a minute. Yes. You look very serious.
I was focusing.
Yeah, you look very serious. You know, my problem with people when they come to the camera, they become a bit serious.
Yeah, no, I was
Then many people that are watching the video, they think that the client, she's not happy. Then I'm like, you know what, she's happy, but I cannot.
No, I don't want to do something wrong.
Not every person can smile and be kind of very... Turn, 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 turn. Keep turning, keep turning. At the front, let me show the roots. Look down, please. Yes, that's it. Done. Ready.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
darling.
you know, I have a lot of friends that they need me to do like jewelry or Botox or whatever, and then they're like, "Oh no, you don't know how to pose." I'm like the worst person. They always want to use me, but then I'm really bad at.
You should.